Forofat my Niue. Yeah, here was it. This be your boy Esyk on the mic. Yeah. This was our first album. Shout outs to the boys, especially to my homie DJ Yeaa putting this together. Yeah. And young Esyk for jumping on the track with us. And Iktoz. It's the OBL, it's the old beat slot running the 683. Yeah. I'd like to say thank you for buying this album. You won't be disappointed. This will be the first one. That's only the beginning. So yeah, keep supporting us, Niue. Hau Ke O. Yeah.